Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Alexis here. Today's video is all my little study tips and tricks on how to pass your esthetician exams and how to ace those babies. So let's just get into the video. Okay, so first thing first is, one sec. So, we're gonna just pick up this one. M'lady, read this book. It comes with you can get a workbook version that has like questions in it and stuff that you can answer. Like little study stuff, which is really great. And then get like obviously the real book. These are on Amazon. I will try to link them below. They're like $100. You can buy it, I think, from their website too. Or a little hack, there's a website called Chegg, C-H-E-G-G. I will link that below. They have the M'lady book, not the workbook, I don't think. But they have like the normal book. It's like $20 a month and you can use it electronically, connected to Wi-Fi or on like your data. Or just pay for it 1 month and then screenshot the entire book. You'll have it in your camera roll and then just cancel the subscription. That's what I did. So, and you have that forever. Instead of spending $100, you just spend $20. Just thought that was a little hack. But anyways, that book is amazing because obviously anywhere you go, you're going to need to know skin diseases, disorders, how to do treatments, just skin types. All that information is in there and it's really good. So I definitely recommend that book. Another really good book is Skin Bible. It's pink. I can't remember who it's by, but that's also a great book too. I just like lost my train of thought. Okay, but anyway, so reread the book, take notes. This workbook is really, really good for like questions, like just answering questions and like checking if you know the answer and stuff. And then, I mean, I have the answer key for this, but I don't know how you find the answer key. I think I still have it. Well, I mean, you could look it up in the book to figure out the answer. But there is a way to find, like, the answer key for it, too. To find that, to check, because it's faster. But I probably reread that book, like, certain sections, like, probably, like, so many times. Because it's just really good information. There's nothing wrong with doing that. And then Quizlet or, like, flashcards are really, really good to, like, memorize things really quick. And then another really good one is Kahoots. My teacher sent out a bunch of Kahoots and stuff, which was amazing. It helped me remember stuff so quick. I did like the Kahoots literally every day up until my test, and I passed no problem. So those are really, really helpful. You just have to think that like the wording of test questions are going to be tricky. They're going to try and trick you. So that's just how they are. So just really like study as soon as you can, but you know, don't freak out. It's just a test. I mean, if worst comes to worst, you don't pass, you can take it again. But we all want to pass our first try. Like, I totally get it. Just go with your gut. And if you're really not sure of an answer, try to like eliminate what it obviously isn't going to be. And if you really aren't sure, there has been studies done that like B and C tend to be right in multiple choice over A and D. But don't quote me on that, because like, you know, because I had to guess on a couple, I'll admit. But yeah, just really make sure you study. And I would say those are like my main tips. Reread the book. Go back and look. If you're not sure about something, ask your teacher for extra studying if you're really stuck on a specific topic. Excuse me, sorry. And then Kahoots and flashcards. Those are like the main things that help me pass. And then for like your practical, Oregon, you could do it at school and it'd be fine. But other states, you have to do it in person. Like South Carolina, you have to do it in person. So, because here I have to take 2 tests to get my license transferred, 2 more tests, because they go by the NIC, which is like the National Institute of Cosmetology or something. I think that's what it stands for. I'm not totally sure. But a lot of states go by that. And they'll give you like a packet of everything you need to know and what to do. But if your state does not go by that, they should give you a packet that breaks down the percentage of what the test is. So let's say 10% will be on this, 20% on this. And then it gives you like an estimate of how many questions it'll be too. At least Oregon did that, and that was really, really helpful. So you knew pretty much exactly what to study. But if they don't do that, make sure you know everything. Not to like overwhelm y'all, but that's like start studying as soon as you can. And when you're in school, really take the time to read through and really understand things. That's your time to ask questions and just really, you know, get things going for yourself, because school goes by really, really fast and you want to make sure you're getting the most out of it. And then like my school, like the midterms and finals were pretty similar to the actual state test. So really use this as like the legit, like treat it like it's the real thing if your school does do tests like that, because that's going to help you so much in the long run. And then even after you pass, like continue to read, continue to learn. Like this industry and this field is always going to be growing and changing, and there's always going to be new trends and just new information. So always keep yourself updated with like the newest stuff. But again, my tips are Kahoots, or like something like Kahoot, where it's like the question and you have to like answer out of like a multiple choice situation. Flashcards for terms and stuff is really, really great, or Quizlet, same type of deal. And then rereading the book, going back and taking notes, and just keep that going for yourself and do a little every day, or at least like maybe like 4 times a week. Take 30 minutes to sit there and study, because that is like a long-term thing. Like you're not just cramming for like one test and it's something you're never going to do again. Like this is your life career. Like take the time every day or every few days to look at something and learn something, and you're going to retain the information a lot faster. So that's pretty much all I have for this video. I just kind of want to go in and tell you guys kind of what I did, because that's literally what I did up until the date of my test. Oh, for practicals though, just practice your facials and waxing and whatever else you're tested on. Just keep practicing as much as possible up until the date, so you're 100% confident, comfortable, and your muscles just remember. Muscle memory, it's a real thing. That's literally all I did. I just practice till I was good. I mean, that's all you can do, and for that anyway. And then ask for teacher feedback if you can, and to know you're on the right track. But yeah, that's really all I have for you guys. It's kind of a shorter video. I just kind of wanted to go through all of that. I don't know. Comment below if you guys want like a video on like license transferring questions, because I feel like it's not really what this video is about. So, because every state's different. Like I could share my experience with transferring my license and how that's going and everything, and how you go about doing that. If you guys do want a little short 5 to 8 minute video on that, I can definitely do that, because I feel like it's kind of just like, hey, call the state, figure it out. So I could like walk you guys through what I did to do all that, and like I could even walk you through how I found a school, how I picked a school, what are like things you look for, and just all that. So I feel like it's really important, especially if you're new to this type of work, don't know a lot about the beauty and skincare industry and all that jazz. I can definitely make some more videos about that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, study, and if you're in this boat, good luck. You got this. Let's go, future esties and the ones that are already in it. Comment below if you're an esthetician or a permanent makeup artist or any of that. And don't forget to check out my permanent makeup video that just came out. Yeah, but yeah, comment below any questions. I'll respond. I love your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and turn on those post notifications so you don't want to miss the next one. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye, y'all.